and they should learn English language for mobile. They should get into the habit of watching contents on YouTube in only in English. Yes, and after that they should also get the habit of watching and talking to people also, and day by day definitely they will improve their English language. With
So, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. This day I'm walking outside.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So this is our first session. So I want to know a little bit about yourself. So can you give me a little introduction?
Yes, why not? I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Jadu. I'm from Jharkhand State, from Saibgan district of Jharkhand State. So if I will tell about my education, I studied in 8th class. There are 5 members in my family. So if I will tell about my hobbies, I like to play football, cricket, and read book. Yes.
Okay, that's nice.
Only for making conversation video here came, and so that I can show to people about the nature. Yes.
Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
I think I have seen some of your videos as well, and yeah, your name is quite different. As everyone asked this question to you as well, I think. So, can I know that who gave you this name and why? Is there any story behind it?
Yes, yes. My father has given me this name, and when I was getting the admission in my school that time, my father has given me this name, and I was named by my father like this name. Yes,
Okay, so did he think about anything like why this name only, or
yes,
just
yes,
random?
yes, yes. And and when my father has given me this name, and I thinking about this name is very amazing, and I should let it be, and which is my name currently. You can consider in the school since I had got admission in this school, in which school I study. Yes, I like this name.
Oh,
Yes.
that's nice. You like your name as well. Okay, have you ever come across this situation that anyone is making fun of you about your name?
No, 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 no.
No?
But some people of the village, in which village I live, some people of my village are mocking me, yes, and making fun of me that by saying Jadu, Jadu, you can consider for some time.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I think it is happening.
Yes, yes. It can be happening, but and you should let them to say this again and again, And when you will keep your time very different, definitely you will get viral any place you can consider, and your name is different. No one has like your name, so definitely, yes,
Yes. Yes, it depends on us how we react on any kind of situation. So it depends.
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so what are you doing these days?
This day, before a while, I had come back to my home from school, and I was studying the school today. I had gone to school. Yes, and
Oh,
after that, I think to make conversation with people. So here, I had come for walking here. Yes, only for, and also I could have made any conversation video like this. I was thinking at that day, and now I got you. So now, yes, I called you. You are
okay.
messaging. Yes.
Okay, that's nice to hear. Okay, so how long have you been learning this language and when did you started your channel as well?
Yes, yes. I've been learning this language since 1 year. You can consider since I had got admission in 7th class, but currently now I'm studying the 8th class. You can consider when I was studying in 7th class, then I started my journey of learning English speaking because I was a motivated one teacher who was from Tamil Nadu. Yes,
Okay, okay. That's nice. So who
yes,
give you this who give you this suggestion that you have to learn this English language or it was from your side only? Like it is your passion that I have to learn this English language like that?
oh yes, yes. And if you will tell that, and who has motivated me for learning this language, and who has told me that you should learn this language. So when I was studying in KG class in my school, since then I was thinking to learn this language. But many people that time I was looking that they speak English language, they speak to each other in English. So I was thinking that and sooner or later tomorrow and today I must learn this language. So I was thinking at that day, but I was not getting any idea to learn this language. And at that time, I was watching a lot of video on YouTube to learning English language. All the time, they were not telling me. And when they will be telling for Pali, but I was not thinking about them. They were telling for Pali that I was not getting it. I was not understanding what are they telling in their video. So then after that, when I had got admission in 7th class, so then and when one teacher who was from Tamil Nadu taught us tenses. So then he said us that, and you all can speak English language by learning tenses. Tenses can help you all to learn English language. So a lot of questions coming. So then I searched on YouTube. That I had become little bit intelligent that time about English when I was studying in 7th class. So then I searched on YouTube about English grammar. So then I got a lot of grammar you can consider, and I learned gradually. And now this time I'm talking to people and improving my English language. Yes.
Oh, that's really a nice journey. And in this
Yes.
age, or we can say that in this class, nobody think about that. What is the importance of learning English and this kind of things. So, have you ever come across this kind of situation where you face difficulties, or any kind of situation where you have to speak in English, but you were not able to speak that time?
Yes, yes. I faced many times like this problem. And since when I had started my journey of learning this time, and one day, after about whom I told you before a while, who was from Tamil Nadu, after him, one brother who was vice principal, you can consider, had come to my school. That one day he interfered in my class. He was asking us about our introduction. And
Mhm.
we were to tell in English language, but that time, I was not able to speak English language. So by the way, I was knowing English, but and that
Mhm.
was not coming from my mouth. So how could I have spoken? So then somehow I corrected, and I could speak. And at that time, my English was not so good as this time. Yes.
Yes, I recalled my story as well when I was in college, because I had also done my schooling in Hindi medium, and after that, when I came to college, so I had to give my introduction. So I was, hesitating a lot while I have to give my introduction. So, like other students were saying their introduction, so I was just making the sentence by listening to them, that I will say like this, I will say like this, and I was insidely feeling very nervousness that how I would speak that time. And now I laugh on remembering this kind of situation, that I was facing a lot of difficulties, but now I'm little bit okay that I can talk, because I'm working in a company where I have to speak only English language. So that's the reason.
I was also getting hesitation before 6 months around you can consider. So that time I had not any environment of learning English language, and I don't have that time friend you can consider. I didn't have so with whom I could have spoken. So I have only one friend whose name is Ajay. That I keep on talking to him all the time. And first of all, his English was also not good. So and you can consider so. And since when I started teaching him about English language, I made him intelligent in English like me. So then and now I keep on talking to him, and like this I'm improving my English language. And now due to my channel, and because I'm getting viral, you will be knowing that, and therefore
Hmm.
people are calling, and I keep on improving my English language day by day by talking to them like this. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, it's really nice that, because most of the people have this kind of complaint that they are not getting partner to speak with, and I have also learned English language by speaking by myself only. And when I was able to speak and I was able to communicate with other people, then I started talking with different people. So yes, now in the initial days we can start with talking with ourselves, then we can continue our journey with other people also.
Yes, yes, yes. So I'm gonna ask you one question to you that, and I'm gonna ask you this question for those people, and who want to learn English language, they are not getting partner. So can you suggest them, and what should they do to find partner to talk in English language?
Yeah, it's really a difficult situation, but yes, now everyone have the mobile phones and resources, I can say. So I have also added in one of the group, and somebody has added, so they can do this kind of things, like they can find any kind of YouTuber also, and if you will get a chance, so you can add that user in that particular group also. We have multiple WhatsApp group also, where they can join, and yes, they can get the partner from there.
Easily, easily. And due to YouTube channel, and just you have to follow such video, English conversation video mostly, and and if you have ID of Skype already, so easily you can contact with people also, and from there you can get to know about your partner, and with you should speak to improve your English language. Definitely, you will improve your English language like this. And currently, if I'll say about my family friend, I have so around I have a lot of friends, and day by day I keep on talking to them, and sometimes and I must have some friend also, and who will get me time every day for talking. And he will not tell me that I don't have time like this. Every day, I want to be resourcing. Do you know?
Yes, yes, it happens. I when I started, then I was also not getting people to talk with. But I started only one conversation, and after that, I was getting a lot of people's email that yes, ma'am, I have to do the conversation like this. So they can also get the partner like in this way. So yes, people should start their journey like this. Firstly, you have to make your mind that yes, you have to learn this language, and just get into that things, like yes, I have to do this thing, I have to learn this thing, and definitely you can improve.
Yes, yes, definitely. Just and you should keep your time, and you should, and you should maintain your time. Definitely, yes, that is good
Yeah,
for you.
correct.
And some people will not be able to maintain their time that, and they will keep that. And today I should start to think in English language at 3 p.m. And what will you do? And today they will think, but tomorrow they will not think that. Again, they will think that why not? I am not able to get myself time. How can I think in English language? But I will not be able to improve my English language. That because you are not maintaining time like this, and they are not doing, and they should maintain their time also. Yes, definitely they will improve their English language. And since I had started thinking English language and practicing and talking to people, since then I didn't even absent also one day you can consider. Since then every day like I kept on talking to people. Yes,
Oh,
and
yeah,
even
yeah.
to now. Yes,
Yes, yes, I agree on this. And most of the people do the same thing. They are just doing practice 1 or 2 days, and after that they break their consistency. And again, they ask like that, why I'm not improving my English. So yeah, it happens. Okay, so one
yes,
question I would like to ask you, like I have seen that you are very fluent in this language. So any kind of suggestion that you want to give from your side?
yes, yes. So, I would like to give a suggestion to them and those people who want to learn English language. And some people will not have money, you can consider. So they are having problem to not able to give to money and where they have to join any studios. But and where I'm living here, but and some people will be having a lot of problem, you can consider. So in which area I'm living, so you can consider. So there are not any institute to learn English language. And
Yeah.
people don't even have joined any institute to learn English language because I belong to village area, you can consider, and I learned this language through mobile. So I want to give one suggestion to them and who don't have money, who can't join English institutes to learn English language. So just they should have mobile, and they should learn English language for mobile. They should get into the habit of watching contents on YouTube in only in English. Yes, and after that they should also get the habit of watching and talking to people also. And day by day, definitely they will improve their English language without they don't have to practice themselves. It doesn't matter, but just every day like they should talk to people. Yes.
Yes, yes, correct. Definitely. If you are doing in this way, then you can improve. Because we have the resources, but we don't know how we have to utilize this thing. So now everyone have the mobile phone, but they are not utilizing it properly. So that is the thing. If they want to do it, then definitely they can learn.
Yes, yes. Just it is your mobile who can help you, which can help you to improve your English language. Yes, and it is only my mobile which has helped me to learn this language, and I keep on talking to people. And due to watch YouTube videos on YouTube, so I learned this language. And when I was studying my Jadu learning English at that time, since I started watching one channel, English Connection, but I had no any information about other channel besides English Connection YouTube channel to learn English language. Already I got believed about channel which is English brand channel, English brand and English Connection. And since then I using that channel and learn this language, advanced phrases. Yes, like this. Yes,
Okay, that's nice. Okay. Any question that you have, or
yes, yes. So now it came to me for asking one question to you that so some people are having problem of not able to practice English language. So can you tell them how should they practice so that they can also improve their English language? And you should tell them about way of practicing that. Yes,
okay, so
practicing
I
how.
would suggest from my side only that I would not tell you that you have to speak, like you have to practice only speaking. You have to do other things also. Yes, practice is a matter here, because if you are practicing it 15 to 20 minutes daily, you can get anyone with whom you can practice, or otherwise take any one topic and try to speak with yourself. So I'm just doing these things if I'm not getting any other people to talk with. So you can do these things, and other than that, listening is very much important here. So whenever you are getting time, just try to learn, listen every content in English only. So that is the thing that you can do for daily practice from my side.
Yes, yes, yes. Listening and thinking and practicing is very important. You can consider, and which is listening. So what can you do by listening? Do you know that? And when you listen people, and by the way, there are a lot of people can be besides you who know more than you can consider. Whether your if your English is weak, if his English is strong, you can consider. So and you can get to know about different kinds of word from him when he will speak, and you can ask him that what is meaning of that, what is the meaning of that words which you told. So like this you can learn easily. And when you listen, and therefore we should develop the habit of thinking more and more and listening to the people and who will be speaking English language and who makes video related to English speaking on YouTube. So definitely, and we should try to learn their words, what they are speaking. Yes.
Yeah, correct, correct. Definitely, I'm agree on this. And yes, if you are listening to other people, so you can get new words on the regular basis, because most important that sometime it happens why we stuck while talking because we are not getting the particular word that time. So if you are getting it, you are learning new words daily because of listening, so you can use those words in your conversation also. So that is the most important thing.
Yes, yes, definitely. And this time, and who can be asked me, learners are living in this world too, who want to learn English language. So when they should learn any type of words which is advanced for them, well, some people who have already knowledge, which is knowledge of basic English. So if I'll say about myself, I know more and advanced also and basic. So who don't have knowledge about advanced, they should also learn which is advanced English. And whenever they will practice the English language, that time they should also try to use that new words in their sentence while speaking. Definitely, it can help to them for improving their English language, and they can remember that word which they will use in conversation with people that time. Easily, they will improve their English language. Yes,
Yeah,
new
correct.
word. Yes.
Okay, so like the same question again. For example, I am just thinking that I am stuck in the intermediate level and I am not becoming advanced here. So, what are the suggestions that you want to give?
Uh, yes. So if I will give you about if you want to become advanced speaker, so just you should keep get into the habit of which is like there are a lot of words like go mane jana you can consider. So if you want to know English of jana other besides go, so definitely you can search on Google. Otherwise you can take a resorting of YouTube also, and there you will get to know about get move. It's mean jana you can consider in the other side you can consider which, and I have learned and I keep on using that mostly. Sometimes I use get only. Yes. Yes, like
Oh,
this. And there are a lot of words of English of Hindi meaning. Yes. There's no only one English of Hindi meanings, but a lot of English. Yes. So that should you should learn that all. Yes.
okay, so you mean to say that we have to learn the synonyms of the words?
Yes, yes, different kinds of, and it can help us to improve our English language easily. That, and one day if you will visit there, and if you think that I know only go, it's mean jana. You can consider. So one day it can also be possible with you that, and which is jana will not come to your mind. Go will not come to your mind to speak and use in sentence. So you can also use get in place of jana. So like this.
Yes, yes,
So
got it.
yes, thank you.
Okay, so we can wind up.